Sazothanda ukunibulisa ngegama lenkosi uJesu waseNazaretha. Sazoqala nokubulisa umfundisi, nawe mfundisi nabazali, nani bazalwane neSunday school egameni lenkosi uJesu. Amen. Ngahlala phansi. Brother Timothy, may you please read Philippians chapter 4 verse 4 for me?
Amen.
Philippians 4 verse 4. Rejoice in the Lord always. And again I say, rejoice.
Amen, bazalwane. Namhlanje ilizwi lizokhuluma ngo-rejoice.
Amen.
Bazalwane, to rejoice is to be joyful or to show gratitude in the Lord. Amen. When you are joyful, show your actions to make the other person see that you are rejoicing. Amen, bazalwane. And we also need to show our joy in the Lord by praising, worshiping, and giving thanks. In all situations, bazalwane. This verse teaches us that even if our situations are bad, maybe you are sick, lack of food, or no job, but always remember that God is always God, bazalwane. Bazalwane ngathi angizwakalanga. Ngithe always remember that God is. Bazalwane, we go to him with a grateful heart, bazalwane. We thank him even if we have not received what we asked for, bazalwane. Bazalwane, you know why? Because we believe that by faith we shall get it. Like for example, bazalwane, let's take the story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, bazalwane. They were thrown in the fire. They rejoiced to God while they were in the fire. And guess what, bazalwane? They were saved by God himself. It can be like that with us, bazalwane, if we rejoice in the Lord in all circumstances. Bazalwane, from the rising up of the sun to the going down of the sun, bazalwane. Let's rejoice in the Lord for everything that was done, created for us, bazalwane. Give praise to the Lord 24/7. We should do the same in all seasons, because as seasons change, they also praise, bazalwane. When life is going differently from our expectations or desires, bazalwane, our joy in the Lord remains unchanged, bazalwane. What we see, what we hear, what we feel, what we touch shows us the greatness of the Creator, bazalwane. And that's the reason why we should rejoice to the Lord. Amen, bazalwane.